After enduring months of separation due to COVID-19, they are back for this Heel to Hip Hop workshop featuring dance instructor Nathasha Bell for an event hosted by Dear Black Girls, Inc., a nonprofit mentoring program for disenfranchised youth and girls located in the Olinville and Williamsbridge sections of the Bronx.
Right now, this is Heel to Hip Hop, which is a free dance class that we offer every 2 weeks. So anyone and everyone is welcome. And it's literally just about movement, about the endorphins coming in. Like, you have to focus on your dance steps. You can't focus on bereaving or school or COVID or anything negative. It's just been heavy the last 2 years for everyone. And I think we dismiss the youth in that. And so we wanted to incorporate their feelings as well and help them to feel better and feel good.
After being featured here on The Ellen Show in 2017, host Ellen DeGeneres set up a GoFundMe page to support founder Cassandra Pryor and her sister Melody Smalls, who is creative director in their vision to provide Black girls from the Bronx with a voice.
So one of the moves she taught us was to go back, sit down, wiggle our legs, come up on our tippy toes,
Right.
and it's very fast-paced with a fast count, so I think that's one of the most hardest moves today.
Enjoying the in-person activity was high school senior Taje Palmer, who says this beats anything online for this reason.
I think our generation is so consumed with social media, so it's really good to reconnect with people and face-to-face instead of online because there's so much hatred.
But it's events like this that can bring understanding, shares 11-year-old Londynn Randolph.
I feel like young Black girls, they stand out. They're all different, and there should be a place in the center where they can all connect with each other. And so I feel like this is a good opportunity for them to find each other.
That's what today was all about, which is Heel to Hip Hop, and it's going to be every 2 weeks where anyone who's just feeling down or just feeling, very low energy, not feeling like themselves, they're able to come and just dance it up.
And supporting Belle is her nephew, Jaron Mauricio.
She taught me how to dance, so I have to give back to her.
Ending the afternoon with a raffle drawing, Pryor says they look forward to welcoming back the families that joined them in 2017 and welcoming new ones.
We started with tea parties. We started with journals and self-care workshops. And so now we've elevated here to this point. And even though it's Dear Black Girl Incorporated, right, it's open to the entire community.
For more information, go to dearblackgirl.org. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Mukoko.